Good morning, everybody. Bad weather freak here. I got another update for you regarding now Tropical Storm Elsa. Elsa really struggled yesterday, and it got downgraded from a hurricane to a tropical storm. And the main reason for that was the forward speed. It was just moving way too fast, so didn't really have time to catch up. And that's what was happening. That's what it disrupted. So in a sense, she disrupted herself. Now let me show you a few graphs. This is the just came in the national hurricane update as the 8 a.m. It's moving west northwest at 30 miles an hour with a minimum pressure of 1,007 millibars, 65 mile per hour winds. So it is continuing to weaken as it moves. Even though I haven't touched much land, at least the center circulation, it continues to weaken. Now, it's expected to slightly intensify a little more as it keeps moving more this way. The waters are very, very warm in this area, and eventually going to start weakening again, possibly tonight into Monday once it starts crossing over to Cuba. That's basically what is going on. So let me show you here what the National Hurricane Center is expected to do. So we'll see how it keeps moving. Since yesterday had been moving further more west than north, how they had it originally. So let's see if it takes this path or if it moves a little bit further west and then kind of goes up like that. But right now, it looks like it may come through Clearwater, Florida, maybe a little bit north of that. Actually, a bit north than that, maybe Pasco County, Florida, Brooksville, maybe around that area. Well, we'll see. We'll see what happens if it keeps moving further north. Flash flooding potential. Almost the whole state of Florida is on the 10%. Wind speed probability. This is what is expected. As you can see, I'm pretty much where it says FL, so my case is probably about 20 to 30%, like 20% probability. So not much. I'm not really expecting much of Elsa here in Central Florida. This is the 5 a.m. Let's take a look see what it looks like in the satellite imagery. So this is basically what it looks like. Yesterday had a really good flare up. It was very, very pretty much falling apart around this area here, and it just had a big flare up last night. Seems like it wants to continue to intensify again. So you can see kind of like this feather-like cloud. These clouds here, and the convection is really blowing up again this morning. But again, it's gonna have an interaction. Center is probably somewhere in here, so it's going to have some land interaction, which is gonna mess with it. Basically, that's what is gonna happen. Let's take a look at the water vapor. Gives us a little bit of different perspective, and you can kind of see how it's trying to develop some thunderstorms on top of Jamaica, basically, and a little more flare up here. But I don't think we're gonna see much in strengthening from her. It's having a really hard time, and it's because mainly I think it's mainly because of the time of the year. Now let's check out the forecasting models. This is the GFS. GFS was very bullish on the storm. Right now, it just has it basically as nothing. I think the Canadian model had it going the east coast of Florida. So it still has it doing the same thing. Look at that. It's a weak storm. European. I don't think European did much with it neither. See, same thing. Not much. H-Wharf and the H models are basically the ones that developed it a little bit more. You can kind of see going right in the middle through Cuba, and see around the Big Bend area. But again, very weak storm. The H-Wharf, the other H-Wharf here has a lot of stronger Big Bend area, and the H-Mon has it, let's see, Big Bend area is a very Very weak storm. Let's take a look at the spaghetti models. Spaghetti models basically show a very good consensus that this is definitely going to Big Bend area. Anywhere from Tampa to the Big Bend area. That's what it looks like it's gonna be. Let's take a look at the intensity forecast. Again, weak, just a tropical storm basically. So I'm not expecting much of Elsa. Nothing how some of my videos that you guys saw days ago where the models were showing a strong hurricane, potentially category 2, category 3. But things change, and you can see that's a perfect example. But anyways, this is a quick update as an 8 a.m. update on Sunday, July 4th, 2021. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more for more weather videos like this, and I will keep you guys posted and updated. Thank you and have a good day.